Peking University was founded in 1898 as the Imperial University of Peking and adopted its current name in 1912. Since its inception, it has striven to become a world-class institution and contribute to Chinese modernization. These century-long dreams are very much alive today as they move both the university and the nation forward. As China's first national comprehensive university, PKU, or Beida as we fondly call it, has championed the principles of freedom of thought and inclusiveness, while upholding Chinese cultural and educational traditions. Beida initiated the first batch of modern disciplines in China, including liberal arts, natural sciences, social science, medical science, and education, leading the advancement of China's modern higher education. The university has produced generations of outstanding graduates for China and the world, making significant and historical contributions to China's modernization. After more than a century-long growth, today's Beida stands strong among the world's leading universities, with ever-rapid and steady strides towards higher levels of excellence. Today, the university has 6 overarching faculties: humanities, social sciences, economics and management, science, information and engineering, and health science. They comprise 64 schools and departments, 360 research entities, and 6 affiliated hospitals. It is the home to approximately 50,000 students and 13,000 faculty and staff, including about 3,800 full-time faculty members. Beida is also one of the first Chinese universities to rank in the top 1% across all 22 research fields of the essential science indicators. For over a century, talent cultivation has always been the university's core task and mission. Presently, Beida is enhancing its student-centered undergraduate education reform by abiding by the principle of fostering both character and talent education while promoting the physical and intellectual strength of its students. In graduate education, Beida is refining its classifications to accelerate advanced talent, facilitating collaboration between research and industry, and cultivating holistic leaders in the applied sciences and interdisciplinary fields. Among well-established international reputation surveys, Peking University has maintained high rankings for educating its students and for its graduates. Many of the best have emerged from Beida, marking their distinction nationwide and beyond. Their achievements speak volumes about the quality of their alma mater's world-class educational resources. Beida has been committed to educate first-class graduates by first-class professors. Its newly established innovation bases have attracted a high concentration of world's leading scientists, technology pioneers, and top-tier innovation teams. Peking University stands proudly as the Chinese university with the strongest faculty powerhouse. These Beida faculty are also active figures in the community of international academia, holding key positions in major academic organizations with high visibility and known global influence. As information and knowledge revolutions explode rapidly across the globe, Beida steps up to the challenges and ably leads new waves of technological advancement and industrial transformation, becoming an intrinsic driver of China's modernization efforts. Fundamental disciplines are the cornerstone of Beida's strategic growth. It fosters synergy between the fundamental and the applied disciplines, while driving innovation in interdisciplinary and emerging fields of engineering, health science, and humanities. With 20 key national laboratories and frontier science platforms, plus involvement in major national science and technology infrastructure projects, Peking University stands as a powerhouse in forward-looking and visionary, strategic, and cutting-edge scientific research. Two points of concentration of Beida's scientific research are those of international academic frontiers and significant national needs. In recent years, many scientific research teams at Beida have achieved major groundbreaking innovations in fundamental and cutting-edge fields. Advancement of humanities and social sciences are similarly remarkable as the university continues to place a high value on academic excellence, critical thinking, global engagement, and innovation. As big data and AI have transformed the landscape of higher education in recent years, Peking University shoulders its responsibility for our time by pushing reforms in research methods and initiating new agendas and theories, while collaborating closely with the global higher education community to jointly tackle difficult challenges of the digital era. Students, faculties, and researchers from around the world, an important element of world's higher education, meet at Beida to explore the furthest boundaries of knowledge. Presently, we have exchanged relations with approximately 400 universities and research institutions in nearly 70 countries and regions, and have developed close partnerships with over 80 renowned universities worldwide. Peking University is committed to educate their graduates with global skills. Approximately 120,000 students from nearly 200 countries and regions have come to study at Beida, one of the first Chinese universities to receive international students since 1949. After graduation, they have gone on to various parts of the world as Beida alumni, or the prestigious 北大人, and achieved distinctions in many sectors. The university also actively promotes its current students to engage in various international exchange programs, providing access to abundant global educational resources. Beida has established specific funds for study abroad, earmarked to support a full range of exchange programs and research projects. With an open and inclusive conviction, Beida promotes the exchange and integration of diverse civilizations, fostering a diversified faculty and a vibrant teaching culture. Scholars from around the world thrive in Beida's extraordinary academic environment. They are pioneers and leading innovators in both teaching and research, exposing students to diverse perspectives and the appeal of internationalized higher education. Peking University highly values international collaborations on science and technology. We have built several national-level bases for global collaboration and partnered with renowned overseas institutions to undertake key national research programs. By integrating global resources and establishing joint research organizations, Beida has led large scientific facility projects, providing first-class platforms for researchers worldwide. Beida scholars are active in key international research projects with increasing visibility and leadership roles. Beta promotes its academic publications abroad through enhanced efforts in translations into multiple languages. Our advanced researchers in international and regional studies have facilitated exchanges between China and other countries. We embrace the world with Chinese civilization and in turn enable the world to best understand the real China. Looking ahead, Peking University will continue to be the catalyst in furthering Chinese modernization by educating first-class innovators, developing top-notch disciplines, establishing innovation hubs, and attracting global talents. We're committed to bringing higher education to greater heights to serve the country and for betterment of the world.